Welcome back to Automobiles, the channel where we dive deep into the world of cars, and today we're taking a detailed look at the 2025 Morris Minor, a modern revival of one of the most iconic cars in British automotive history. Let's start with the exterior design, which is a blend of vintage charm and contemporary innovation. Morris has carefully preserved the classic curves and rounded lines that made the original Minor such a beloved icon. The result is a car that looks both nostalgic and fresh at the same time. The front of the 2025 Morris Minor features a bold and expressive grille, which pays homage to the original, but with sleeker, more aerodynamic touches that give it a modern flair. The headlights are another standout feature. Now equipped with advanced LED technology, they retain their traditional circular shape while offering superior visibility and a more refined, high-tech appearance. The car's hood has been designed to evoke the simplicity of the 1950s, but under it lies a cutting-edge electric powertrain that represents the future of motoring, seamlessly integrating old-school aesthetics with forward-thinking engineering. Moving to the side profile, the 2025 Morris Minor stays true to the proportions that made the original so recognizable. With a compact, curvy body and short overhangs, it maintains that vintage roadster feel, while modern elements like flush door handles and a more streamlined roofline add a sense of elegance and contemporary style. The rear fenders maintain their characteristic bulge, giving the car a muscular stance while keeping that trademark retro appeal. The bold wheel arches are complemented by stylish alloy wheels that offer a balance of traditional design and modern functionality. The rear of the 2025 Morris Minor is just as thoughtful in its design, with a pair of retro-inspired tail lights that look almost identical to those on the original model. However, they now feature LED technology, offering better longevity and energy efficiency. The rear bumper is more refined than its predecessor, crafted from lightweight materials to improve overall efficiency while maintaining that classic, rounded finish. A rear spoiler has also been subtly integrated into the design, improving aerodynamics without compromising the car's iconic look. The exterior color options are designed to evoke nostalgia, offering a range of classic shades like almond green, Oxford blue, and harvest gold, with a few modern hues for those looking to personalize their ride. Whether you're a fan of vintage cars or simply appreciate a beautifully crafted vehicle, the 2025 Morris Minor's exterior design is a perfect blend of history and modernity. Thanks for watching. And be sure to subscribe to Automobiles for more in-depth car reviews.